Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel, 20BLV Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. Hope you guys are having a fabulous Turkey Day weekend. And I hope you did have a very happy Thanksgiving. Yes, girl, at least, most of us got the day off. That's always nice. I bought this Dior holiday package gift set only because Autumn, I would never have known about this. This was not on my radar at all, but Autumn dropped it into one of our text messages and I was like, let me get on that. I bought it with the quickness. Now, I checked this item just before. I bought this on Tuesday, I think. It came yesterday on Black Friday, and it came really late. It came like at 10 o'clock last night. But you know me, I ran right down there and got it. DHL's like that. They'll say, yeah, I don't care if it's midnight, you're getting this package. And I admire that. Wake me up for a package all day long and other things. Anyway, so yes, wake me up for all the packages. Wink, wink. I got this with the quickness, and like I was saying, it is still available as of right before I came on here, so I will link it down below. Don't worry. I think last week I told you I'd link something and I didn't, but I'm going to do that, guys. So let's just take it out of its beautiful packaging. I mean, this was just seriously, this was just like a $70, yeah, 70 bucks from Dior. They spare no expense. They really are. They say that I've never been into a Dior boutique. Maybe I've been in Vegas and just like whizzed around, maybe in Atlanta, but never like seriously been into one like, oh, let me look at that bag. Never bought anything. So only online, a couple of things. I don't really have much Dior. I have a pair of earrings. These aren't it. These are Amazon specials. I will link these if they're still available, but they look like those Treballas. Okay, so yeah, you get all your little stuff in a cute little envelope. Wow! I don't know why I keep all that crap, but I do. Look at the ribbon. Like, who cares what's inside? The packaging's beautiful. I'm a slider, guys. I'm a ribbon slider. I'm a slider. Yes, I am. Okay. I'd love to have a slider right now. I'm hungry. So, you're beautiful for a $70 Dior. Props. And hats off to you. Like, they're giving me all the holiday vibes right now. So, there's a beautiful box. And I'll keep that box till, I don't know, if the cows come home. Till the day I die, I'll probably have it packed up somewhere. I'm going to have to rip the beautiful, oh no. Yeah. She has to be ripped. It's unavoidable. They really stick it. Okay. Jump, 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 jump. I mean, kudos. I say this every time, but Louis Vuitton, take a page from Dior now. So you do choose samples when you order anything cosmetics-wise. I know that. Maybe it's when you order anything at all they give you samples, but I'll go through my little sample. Look at this. A little dust bag. Even Chanel doesn't do that, do they? I don't think so. Okay. Beautiful signature Dior print. I love it. I mean, what do they do if you spend, $7,000? I spent $700. I mean, they must just really come over and give you the pampering, guys. So, your little gift box. And it is this. Now, I did not buy this in mind of, let's turn this into a crossbody. I really do need a new makeup case to shove into my bigger bags. Now, it'd have to be a tote because this is kind of substantial. But my Prada Candy one that I got free with buying the Prada Candy perfume, which I wasn't crazy about. I actually gave to my mom. Yeah, I don't think my girls were into it either. But anyway, that one's wearing out on me because I've used the heck out of it. But here's all my stuff. How cute is this? It's got like the CDs inside in gold. And it's totally wipeable. It's that rubbery type finish that you can wipe out. I love that. And this detail's cute too. on the zipper rail, glittery. Oh, Dior. You had me at hello, girl. Yeah, but you cannot switch this in. I don't know how you're going to turn this into a crossbody. I am going to carry this in my bag. Yes. Very cute for the holidays. I love blue, as you know. Blue is, she's growing on me, okay? Okay, so you get this Care and Perfect Dream Skin. Skin, does it say skin? Anti-age global, yes. So it's some type of, I'm assuming, anti-age defying skincare for your face. It says face on there. I'm going to try that because, girl, she's needing some help. Oh, and I love this. The Dior Addict Lip Glow in pink. Bump, bump, bump. Yes, who is texting us? It's just Yota. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I absolutely love this. I bought that other set last year that had these similar to this, but this is probably just more of a pinky gloss. Oh, I love this. And Gwenny, I think, got this one time, and she loved it. So I'm very happy to have that. What else, pray tell, is, okay, this is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Yes, I'm going to put that on a couple places, not just my face, lips, honey. Oh, that sounded nasty. That's because I meant it to. Okay, anyway, we're on the same page, right? Yes, come with me on this wild journey and ride. So I am going to try that, actually. I am going to try my lips. So there. And last but not least, yep, is this tiny Miss Dior For Your Purse perfume. Oh, man. I just love the packaging. This is one I've never, I think it just pops off, right? Or does it? She gone. Let me smell. Okay, let's see what happens during the dry down. At first I'm getting, yeah, I'm getting the rose. Yeah, so it is rose and roses. So it's roses backed by more roses. Just what I always love. I'm not a big fool about rosy scents. But drying down, just in the 2 seconds I put it on. Yeah, I love it. I get that floral. You get a little spice in there. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look at the notes. But yeah, it's drying down nice. We'll have to see. I like to give it about 30 minutes and then we know what's what, right? I'm going to set that here because I've dropped the cap and I can't get down there and get back up easily. I'll need help, so I won't bother you with doing that right now. Let's look at our samples, girl. I always say, like, oh, this is just going to be a quick video. And then, you know, 45 minutes later, this old biche is still telling you something. Okay, here's the J'adore. Sometimes you can smell it. And this is the Sauvage. I wanted that to let Bill try it. We tried it on in Sephora one day, and I don't know that he was into it, but I really liked it. But if he doesn't like it too, he's the one that's got to smell it all day. And this, I kind of like. This one's doing me a good, I like that. I put that in my purse and like dab it on just in case, you know. That's one of those, I'll dab you on and just in case I see anybody important, they'll smell me and think I'm a fancy old lady. Then they'll get to know me. Oh, that'll be out the door, girl. Oh, maybe the shake. I need to shake it up or something. Shake it up. Do, 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 do. Okay, there. It's coming out wonky. It's not spraying. The little sprayer's broken. Now. It's very soft and subtle. It's not, I got a really bad hint of alcohol at the first, though, so that's never a good sign for me. But yeah, that'll dry down into something really nice. I kind of do like a soft and subtle scent every now and then, but most of the time I like a, here I am, smell me now. You know, I like those that come into the room before you do. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe not. But hey, I do love to try. This one's actually drying down into something really soft and nice too. Okay, I like this one better. I like the, what's this one? Miss Dior. Even though I'm not crazy about Roses Girl. Better than the J'adore. Okay. I always think of, who is it? Charlize Theron? Who's their spokeslady. Is she still? I don't even know. Oh, guys, before I go, I do want to tell you, that's been the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, by the way. I do want to tell you, she's never far away. I do have her loaded down with all my stuff, travel bulb and all. I took the Spanx out because I had to put them on, both pairs. Yeah, I needed it for Thanksgiving. Yeah, so anyway, these little, I want to say they're almost, maybe a little over 3 inches on these extenders that I put on both sides of these. I'm going to post these because I didn't the other day. That's the one thing I didn't do. So I'm going to try to post these earrings if they're still available, and I'll post these that I bought on Amazon. And I'll definitely post the Dior gift set that is available on the Dior website. Buy it there because you get all these extras, and I think that's even better. If you're gifting, I mean, somebody's going to open that and be like, wow, this biche is crazy about me. Yeah, I know. You're welcome. All right, guys, and thanks to Autumn for, you know, turning me on to it, because I appreciate that. She does give us a lot of I swear, all of the things that she's shown me, I want, and I'm like, I can't do that. She can't, she won't, she cannot. But everything she shows me, she's always like, Winnie, this is perfect for you. And she's right. She knows me so well. It's like she sees me inside and out. No, no better. But this one, I love. Hey guys, if y'all see my husband though, don't tell him nothing. Bye. In regards to Thanksgiving 2022, I've decided, nope, she's done. Yeah, the old gray mare ain't what she used to be. I spent the whole day, like 7-8 hours, cooking, stirring, and then, you know, I didn't get to spend time with my people. It made me stressed out. You know, the whole day before you clean up because, you know, it's like that. You guys ever seen Gail? I mean, millions and millions of people have watched this, where she, company's coming, that video. That's how I am when somebody's coming to my house that doesn't usually come over. So I get all like, throw that away, it's too late. Yeah, I just get crazy Gail when that happens. And then inevitably every year that this happens, my husband sees that I'm stressed. He tries to alleviate some of that stress by coming in and, you know, stirring up stuff, mashing things, you know, pulling things in and out of the oven for me, basting, all of that stuff. And it is a great help, but he's one of those people who, and I don't know if you guys are this way or your husbands are this way or whatever, maybe your mom, sister, brother, cousin, whatever, are this way, but he's, let's throw a pinch of this in. If this is good in there, then this is bound to be better. So, of course, I have spices spread out everywhere, and he's always constantly like, babe, this, would that be good in there? I think this would be good. No, nutmeg in mashed potatoes? No, babe. You can nutmeg me later, but not inside the mashed potatoes. Although, mashed potatoes and getting nutmegged. Yeah, I wonder if we have any leftovers. That sounds great! Lipstick on my teeth? Better than lipstick on my husband's collar, biatch. Shit. Oh, I got a picture somewhere, right?